Is Uber still profitable in 2018? What is it, guys? This is your boy Kuma Matata, and this is the results for the NYC Uber project. I wanted to see if Uber was still profitable despite all the things that's going on in 2018. Now, let's get right to it. Go to Uber. So this is the earnings right here. I started on February 5th to February 19th. Those were the 2 weeks that I got the promotional period. I get $400 from Uber to drive a leased car. So basically you have a free car for 2 weeks. Now the February 19th, 26th, I took an extra week just to make a little extra profit. I gotta pay some bills, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go to the February 5th one. As you can see, I took out the car Monday. I worked a little bit. Those were the days that I worked. On Thursday, I wanted to work a lot, but I got booted. That was when Uber had a network issue. So as you can see here where I'm tapping right now, that's the promotion. I got $400. In total, that was $968. If you take out the gas, that would be less than $50. I gassed up twice. So let's keep it even. Let's say $900 for 41 hours and I did 80 trips. You could pause it and see my earnings every day. Let's go to the next one. February 12th to 19th. I took out Monday because I had some personal business to do. I worked Tuesday to Friday. Those were my earnings. What do you call it? $2,181 for 38 hours and I did 84 trips. But that was because I got like 3 referrals came in and they actually grind and did their share, and I got paid $750, including the promotion from Uber for the car. So I want to thank you guys for using my code, whoever it is. I know your names, but I'm not going to put it out there for privacy reasons. But I deeply appreciate you using my code. So in total payout was $1,777 with the gas. Let's keep it even. Let's say $1,700 for that week for 38 hours. If it wasn't for the promotion, I got 1,000 and something. I remember clearly. Yeah, I was 1,040 or something I did that week. So let's go to the next week for the extra week. This week I took it chill. Also, I didn't work Monday. I drive Tuesday through Friday. I got 1,263, and I got 2 more promotion. So that saved my behind deeply, because I paid the car with that money, and I got $100 left. So with that in total, I drove 34 hours and 55 trips. Not bad, not bad. If it wasn't for the referral, I would have got 700 and something. Let's keep it even for the gas. Let's say $650 for 34 hours. That's not bad. But because of the referral, I pay the car. But really, I got like 700 and something. So the question is answered. Is Uber still profitable in 2018? Yes, it is. As you can see from my earnings, I have grinded. You guys have used my code, which I appreciate so much. But yes, you can make a living off of doing Uber full-time in this city. Now don't get confused, because some of you guys live in the suburbs. It's different from the suburbs and the city. There you go. That's the proof. So that answered my personal question that I had, and I got to go out there and do it. I got to use the promotion from Uber. If you guys want to use that same promotion, you still can. They still have it right now. If you go to American Lease in Long Island City, ask for Benito Merete. He's going to hook you up with a nice Camry or an Altima, whatever floats your boat. Just take a car that's less than $400, so it'll be free. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's it for today's episode. I appreciate you guys watching me. If you guys want to support the movement, support me directly, use my link down in the description. I love you guys. Peace.